Hello, my name is Elite. I'm from the company STRYME, located in Austria, Vienna, and we are using the SloMo Elite from Chile Cooper for our Gen 6 product. It's called from our side Stadia Multi-Channel Commander, and I will give you a quick overview how we use it. Here you see the software Gen 6. Currently it's an 8-channel playout, what you see here, and each channel has a different color. So you can choose it by saying a number, or you can choose by saying let's go to yellow. What you see here with the UI is reflecting the same on the TD multi-channel commander. I give you an overview about this. With these buttons, C1 to C8, you can choose which channel you want to have. Now I'm currently on channel 1. If I go to channel number 7, for example, I'm now on out 7, and you see that the red light is here. What's also necessary is to getting a quick overview on which channel you are. You see here the color, and it's the same color if we go here from out 7. If I change it, for example, back to out 1, which is red, this color also changing. Now we see that the button is blinking. That's why it's because it's 10 seconds before the clip ends. After the next clip has started, it's back to static light. These functions, these buttons we use for seeing the clips and jumping to the next clip. If you look here on the display, we have 16 clips on the channels. Here it's just counting from 1 to 10, but if you press the shift button, you see that you jump to the 11th to 16th clip. If you want to jump to another clip, you can press the option key, and let's jump to this 7th clip. Now we've jumped to the 7th clip, and it's also written here that this is Headhunters Kashmir. You see the necessary information like duration, the clip, I start the play, up count, down count, the whole playlist, up count, down count, and the next clip which will be in the list. What you also can do is, we use the jog shuttle like this, but now it's not activated. That's why it should not happen that if you're on an error that something happens if you just push a button. If you want to activate it, you just press this key here, and now you have a functionality like this jog. For shuttling, you also see the speed here, how much speed we have. And if you want to go to the SloMo mode, you press launch on this button, and that SloMo is there. And now we have slow motion functionality. Here you see on the channels we have groups for each channel. That means you can put groups in a channel and start it at the same time. It's mainly used for fill and key or for video wall if you want to start 8 of the channel automatically. You can control everything now with this TD multi-channel commander.